how to send email on MailChimp. So first, go to your MailChimp dashboard. Then after that, just click on create the left side, and then just click on design email on regular email. Okay, let's wait for it to load. Okay, now after that, you can choose among these three here. So let's say I want to use a basic layout, so just click on basic layout, and then you just need to select any of the templates here. So let's say you want to use the simple text template, just click on apply. Now you just need to customize all of this. After customizing it to your liking, just click on save and next set, and then just add your recipient who you want to send this email to, and then add a subject, and of course schedule it. If you want to send it now, just leave it be, or if you want to send it later, just click on this one and edit, choose your time. So don't if you're seeing something like this, that just means you did not edit your template. So if you customize your template, you won't see any of this, so don't worry about that. And after that, just click on send, and that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.